Today our class, 32 seniors, are at Keale Basin. Half of the students are here sitting in a circle, weaving lei, talking story, playing music, and telling mo'olelo. So they just recounted for our hosts the wind gourd of La'amaumau, their summer reading, and then they got to hear another mo'olelo from our hosts. And 16 of our students are out sailing right now. We're gonna swap.
It ties to our class literature of the ocean because we're learning about the Hawaiian culture and practices, and then we're about to go on the va'a when they come back.
We just came back from a canoe trip sailing around Magic Island, and pretty much we just learned from Uncle that a lot of the things that we see on the island are all connected. The sun, the moon, the wind. We learned how to pound poi. We ate some good food. We learned how to steer the canoe as well.
We're headed right towards Ka'ala, the highest peak over there, the flat one.
Being on the canoe allowed my class to kind of visually see what Miss Hill's philosophy of the class is and that connection between ourselves and the water. It was a really good experience, really unique experience for a lot of us too. It was the first time on a canoe, so it was really fun and I enjoyed it a lot.